So here's what I have. It may seem a little bit loose and a little bit flimsy, but I've connected these parts to one side of my axle. And if you can look very carefully, you can see I've got some truss members. So now what am I going to try to do? I'm going to try to connect these truss members to one another. So right here, I'm going to take a small paper clip. They're all connected to each other. I'm going to put the big end in the bigger straw. I'm going to put the little end in the littler straw. Just like that. Okay. And when I connect these chassis elements together, it should add a little bit of strength and rigidity. What does rigidity mean? Rigidity means stiffness. I want this design to be fairly stiff. I'm showing you a fairly complicated design, but you'll have plenty of props that you can reference for designs that may be less complicated. Okay. Got my truss members made, and the idea will probably be that these two middle pieces, these two middle pink pieces, those pieces will end up being taped together in some way. But what we're trying to do at this point is we're trying to take away some of the movement in the axle. So as you can see, I have my other axle, and I'm going to start connecting the members back. You'll find yourself doing this as you're building your car. You'll put it together, you'll take it back apart, you'll try something else. And as you do this, I don't want you to get discouraged, because it's all about trial and error. And it's all about figuring out what works best and how to best design and assemble. What you're getting from me are just tips, things that I've picked up over the years, things that I've learned. So here we go. Get the last two. We're going to assemble those. It kind of looks like a flimsy mess, and to some extent it is, so don't laugh. But I guarantee you we are going to have Twilight Sparkle ready to race here very, very soon. So down to my last member. Got my paper clip there. Assemble it in. Okay. Now what do I have? I've got, it looks a little bit like an accordion, but I've added some stiffness and some stability. By the way, my daughters are running around crazy. Katie is drinking water. Jenna just went back outside. Emma's in the kitchen doing something she shouldn't be doing. I have no idea where Lily is. William is filming. So, I'm going to stabilize this, and then I will get back with you in another video.